dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiya, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English language class for the students of class 4, and our today's topic is the sentence. Okay, dear students, this is our lecture number 1. Now I am going to discuss about this topic. Please follow the board. Look here, the sentence. At first we have to know about its definition. A group of words that gives a complete sense is called what? A sentence. I am going to repeat this. A group of words that gives a complete sense is called a sentence. That means a meaningful words which gives us what? Which gives us a complete sense. If I am going to show you some examples, then you can understand about this topic properly, I think. Look here, example, father reads the Quran. Then another example, Bangladesh won the game. Look here, we have found some meaningful words which give us a complete sense, and by this sense we can understand that this is a sentence. So a sentence is what? A group of words which gives us a complete sense is called what? Sentence. If I write here, look, if I write here, won Bangladesh the game, is it any meaningful sentence? No, you can't understand anything. If I write here, won Bangladesh the game, it is not a meaningful sentence. So you have to write it properly. You have to write some meaningful words which makes a complete sense, and this complete sense is called what? A sentence. So a group of words that gives a complete sense is called what? A sentence. Look, dear students, from your book you will know that you will learn that according to meaning there are 5 kinds of sentence. What are they? Yes, number 1, assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. At first we have to know what is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence means those sentence which gives us a statement. Okay, a sentence that makes a statement is called assertive sentence. If I going to show you some an example, you will find that I eat rice. Look, this is a statement. Or if I write here, I go to school. This is also another statement. So this statement this sentence which makes a statement is called what? Assertive sentence. Now I am going to discuss about our next sentence, which name is what? Interrogative sentence. About this sentence we can say a sentence which asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. A sentence which gives us a question is called an interrogative sentence. If I am going to show its example, for example, what is your name? Or where are you going? So by these sentences we can understand that this type of sentence asks a question, and these sentences are called what? These types of sentences are called interrogative sentence. Okay. Now imperative sentence I am going to discuss about imperative sentence. About imperative sentence we know that a sentence which expresses order, request, advice, command or proposal. I am going to say a sentence which expresses order, request, advice, command or proposal. Okay, all of these are called what? An imperative sentence. All of these things indicates an imperative sentence. For example, if I am going to show you some example, you will find it so easy. Okay, do it. Okay, do it or do the work. Then go there. Okay, so here we have found some what? Some commands or some orders. Okay, so these type of sentences indicates an imperative sentence. So imperative sentence means what? A sentence which expresses order, request, advice, command, all of these things, these are called what? An imperative sentence. These type of things are called what? This type of things makes an imperative sentence. Okay, a sentence which expresses order, request, advice, command is called what? An imperative sentence. Okay, now I am going to discuss about optative sentence. What is optative sentence? An optative sentence expresses a prayer or a wish or a desire or a blessing. I am repeating this. An optative sentence expresses what? Yes, expresses a prayer, a wish or a desire or blessings. Okay, these things expresses, and this type of sentence is called what? Optative sentence. For example, may God help you, may Allah bless you, long live Bangladesh. Like this way, by these sentences we can identify what? This sentence expresses a prayer or wish. Is not it, dear students? Yes. So all of these examples are the example of what? Are the example of an optative sentence. Okay, now exclamatory sentence. Now we will learn about exclamatory sentence. Dear students, about exclamatory sentence we can say that a sentence which expresses what? Pleasure or sorrow or a sudden feeling or a strong emotion of mind. I am repeating this. A sentence which expresses what? Pleasure or sorrow or a sudden feeling or a strong emotion of mind is called what? Exclamatory sentence. Dear students, if I am going to show you some example, then you will get it so easily. Okay? Look, if I were a king, another example, what a nice bird it is. I am repeating, if I were a king, or what a nice bird it is. Look, these two sentences expresses what? Expresses our feelings, expresses our sudden feelings. So, from exclamatory sentence we have learned what? We have learned that those sentence expresses pleasure or sorrow or a sudden feeling or strong emotion of mind is called what? Exclamatory sentence. So dear students, I think you have understood our today's topic. Dear students, you have to study at your home and you have to practice about this topic, and we will discuss about this topic again in our next class. Okay dear students, till then take care and abide by your parents. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.